Welcome to the QuickBooks AutomatoR Getting Started series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of using AutomatoR to move information from Shopify to QuickBooks. We are going to see how AutomatoR can send the details of customers, orders, stock items, payments and credit notes to QuickBooks automatically as soon as it happens, in order to save you time and money. You only need to do the setup once in AutomatoR, and then it will be automatic for all future orders. In the newest update, AutomatoR can now also update stock quantities back to Shopify on demand. For this video, I have signed up for a Shopify store, signed up for a QuickBooks account. Let's get started. Log into your Shopify store. Install QuickBooks AutomatoR from the Shopify App Store. Now you need to connect your QuickBooks account. Click on the Connect to QuickBooks button. Enter your QuickBooks details of your QuickBooks account and click on Sign In. The AutomatoR Connect screen will again be displayed. Click on Next and the Welcome screen will be displayed. This screen shows the current features of AutomatoR and how to get started. Click on Next and the pricing screen will be displayed. You now have to choose a plan for AutomatoR. For now, I will choose the starter plan for $6.50 per month. This plan allows you to export the details of up to 150 orders per month. Note that AutomatoR only uses the orders to determine the price. All other transactions or customers that are required will also be exported. A note for developers. Developers can use AutomatoR free of charge, for as long as the shop is in development. The free 7-day trial will come into effect when the shop goes live. You can at any stage within the 7 days trial, discontinue the trial and you will not be charged. Click on the Sign Up Now button of the starter plan. Click on Approve to start your free trial of 7 days. The starter panel will now show as the current plan. Click on Next page and the terms and conditions will be displayed. Read through and click on Accept when done. You now have to tell AutomatoR which accounts to use. Select the appropriate accounts from the drop-downs. Then click on Next. We have now reached the end of the setup required. At the top of the screen you will now see a menu. You can make changes to any of the options you have set above. On the screen a date range is displayed, with the current day filled in. Click on the Export button to export the current day's transaction to QuickBooks. You can also export historical data, delete exported data and a few other options. Hover the mouse over a button to see what options are available. After the export, you can switch to your QuickBooks account to see how it was exported. If you made a mistake, you can delete the exported transactions in QuickBooks. Once satisfied, click on the Auto Export button to switch the export to automatic. Note that transactions that will be exported from Shopify using the Auto Export option will appear within a few minutes after it has happened, and not at the end of the day. AutomatoR now also have an option to sync inventory back to Shopify. Note that this is an on-demand option, which means you have to follow the steps described below each time you want to sync back to Shopify. To do this now, click on the Sync Back to Shopify button. Then click on the Select Date button and enter a valid period. Finally, click on the Sync button to sync the inventory items back to Shopify. If there is a problem, you can reverse the sync by pressing the Undo Sync button. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for listening.